So tell them a name.
My name is Rhonda and I'm from Florida and Jamaica always a vibe. IGLOO 2023 Easter week win, turn up babe. Yeah, we lit.
IGLOO turn up people, IGLOO Lord. Look at that beauty here, hot. You hear me talk? How you know say? Oh, I want people to boy Brendan here from Reggae Vibes. You know the vibes, Reggae Vibes. Tonight the vibes there, IGLOO. Beer things are going, water cooler fetch, you know. And later, VALIANT are going to pass through. And people, I just beer vibes, I just stay tuned. Alright people, you don't know whether you're Reggae Vibes Media. I'm there with Molina. Yes, so Molina, how is the experience?
Awesome. IGLOO is really awesome right now. I love the vibes, I love the music. Everything is just top tier.
Alright, right now at dancehall earlier, soca, I see her soca down. Soca down and a dancehall I go on. Beer soca, tell me about the soca part.
Oh God, man, don't mention the soca part because it's not nice. Soca is vibes.
Alright, so Reggae Vibes Media here from Molina. I don't know, Crystal Beer here, boy, where they are. Beer Vibes, Reggae Vibes. Chantal at, look for the attire, watch it. Woi. Hey.
Big up Reggae Vibes Media.
You hear that? So shall we big up the Reggae Vibes Media, the ultimate media. They're going to make you tell the people them who you are.
Yes, this is Spec, producer. Yeah, we have the bad tune out the road. Check it, no real. The song I do a good road. I mean, I tell you, sir, Reggae Vibes Media, the party shot. This is IGLOO, here to your event, where you know, say, things are going good. Could be a better party. As we said, the thing shot. Reggae Vibes Media, don't big up yourself, and do some great work in the thing. So just want to go on to the thing and go and promote dancehall to the fullest.
Alright, let's see what go on. Spec the producer. You might want beer vibes and IGLOO, but I tell you anything right. Alright, bad boy, come right and ready. No, tell the people the whole angle.
The whole angle out there, I swear, because the whole top plan out here without fear. Just load from me,
Alright, the charge I want beer vibes. Alright. So there, so with Sky. Sky, with the right, so with Sky. Reggae Vibes Media. Big bad artist. And the style.
What must I say?
Me I want your fans them on Instagram.
Oh, but glad.
I like the vocal, I like the energy. Let's speak up.
Sky the limit, SKAIID limit. Up on the stage before that tonight. I want to them, man.
Alright, you're gonna reach. You're gonna reach by the stage sometime. Hold on, man. A big dancer. So come on, tell me about the experience. How are you there? What you say? You have to tell them on the mic. How are you there? You're from Florida. Hold on, no. Florida in our building. Florida in our house. Yes, so you're at IGLOO. Beer sweating on my eye, party nice. So tell them a name.
My name is Rhonda and I'm from Florida and Jamaica always a vibe. IGLOO 2023 Easter week win, turn up babe.
What you mean high energy? Here we talk. Florida in our place. Reggae Vibes Media, Lord.
Hey yo, you don't know this is Sky the limit. I'm going to big up Reggae Vibes Media. I want to them, man. So you don't know, say Sky the limit, SKAIID, limit for all platforms. Check out the music. New music, phenomenal. Check it out.
Yeah, people, IGLOO loud.
Promote a party in a Peckham Clarendon. And also the Greens family, alongside Chop Top and the Colonel. I don't know, flip out up on the ground. Yo, the party nice. Malia, big up yourself. That's all my girls them. They're fresh from out America. Long time. Malia, tell them. Get them a move, Malia. Get them a move. Hey. Clarendon girl.
Man, a shot call. Oh, you say vibes there. Hey.
Vibes, Lord, IGLOO up. First experience, it's bad. We love it, yeah? IGLOO, Lord.
Hey.
Yes, it's an IGLOO party, yeah. Me love it. I'm girls and friends from America for the party. Hey, the IGLOO party, it's loud. Yo, so when you catch your job, you don't know what things say.
Yeah, man, a Valiant, we are wait, man. When you say wait for Valiant, man,
No, Valiant thing loud. I mean, now I'm at 40.
Sex is who you are now. Oh, na. Wanna get closer, wanna be closer to you. Where have you been, my lady, baby? Love the way I get down. So crazy, you must on drugs. Can't wait to see you in the birthday soon. I'm so anxious.
check out that song by Ibru, Lady of My Dreams. It's a bad song. So just click the link down below and get us one. It's a bad piece of song.
The boring people that can go on, yeah? If you're proud, you can go on, yeah? Everybody that can jump on the road. Yeah, the company door. Ladies and gentlemen, you can jump over the seat, but stay on my place. Everybody that can get money on the road.
Alright, so we're there with that nice pretty girl and with her nice golden hair and a full white. So tell them boy you.
You know it's Cardi, pick up Reggae Vibes Media. We know IGLOO, follow one party and a bad party. And follow one media, bad media. Pick up Reggae, big them up.
Yeah, you have a talk, so we're there will be a vibes. Oh, yeah. Sir. Hey. Watch it, baby. Roll that so. Boy. Watch your foot, them. I'll be your foot. Watch your foot. I'll be your foot. Ah, be your foot. Be your foot, hey. I'll be your foot, boy. Be your foot, boy. Be your foot, boy. Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Ah. Foot. You ready? Go. Boy. Go. Boy. Hey. You ready? Boy. Watch your shoulder.
Never you give up hope. Yeah. And when it seems like you reach the end of the road, the most I have your back. You don't know the post.
Right now the system is a mess. Everybody a ball, everybody a stress. When things get rough and hard, hold your head up. Jah will do the rest down now. Everybody a ball, Father help.
Yeah, people, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe. Reggae Vibes Media, the vibes turn over. And you want to check out a song from Kurtiouss, Aim, Determination. Click the link down below and check out that song. Yeah. Boom.
Young papi, we still a living at the choppies. Gonna go more than out of your fields. I got my clear inside. Expensive beats in a Panama. I'm still a buy. IGLOO. All the vibes, my man. Yo, Biggie. Expensive beats in a Panama. I was still a buy leads for the dialer. I'm a 17, just to fly about. Just to fly about. Air Force white like Jesus. Look at girl of our visa. Designer beats and cologne a creed dog. Stop them, we kick it up and that. Yo, Falcon. Black party, come on, belly, my party, come on, ready, so that she went drinking. High grade for the dance mode, I meant it. I had to send my beat when it mixed with the Remy. Yo, IGLOO. Them trees, the original, nobody. But from school days, nobody. Chain them icy, I pull on my white tees, fitted on my tight. We can't get a mix biggie. From where the hour keep it. Say man don't live like Rasta. Don't give no pasta. The Air Force white dog stop that. Them girl down. Look how me looking at my some man I live like Rasta. Don't give no pasta. Air Force white dog. Look how me looking at us. What kind of mood this? Uptown girl. Mr. Shenua. Give me back a mix again, man. Give me a mix, man, Biggie. Ready? Come here, enough for them to talk about choppings and them to understand what I'm saying now. Alright then. But take you won't come back, it's no love, say. No. Wait, say back on the class, we are the subject. England, girl, in that Dimawar. So what? But you don't get, if you don't know, that makes you get upset. You are money on the subject. You are money on the subject. God, bad dog, stay at home, no fraud. We are PDS already. You don't know. Big up IGLOO. Wait, a 4-way flash in the stand. A rifle wheel for the alien. A VVS diamond and a chain. And your girl says she stressed you, she have up on her brain. Wait, a room on the dummy. You're not for your rifle charging. Quick, we shot boy, what a easy target. Love out the sun and darkness. Touch the road tonight. A girl says she wanna roll beside the right. Purple jeans mixed with the Versace style. Pull up at the gas pump and get the tank full and then we get the condo. 3 girl in the better cars random. And then we go so again, Biggie. Fine. A motorcade. Yo, Jim. So before I left you don't know me have to sing this because of this. You know? You know some love with her. Yes, I know. I was still at humble yourself, but I know far reach. You know, we don't give up. I feel up happy money. We are people who are. I'm too girl in a room. And it's always funny. You mean to me good. No, we are them go believe. And them clearance boy. Some money have a pay. And if the client yo, you know, enjoy yourself, man. Anytime when you're ready, I hear me there, I'm trying to tell you, send the food, and I'm selling you the dial light steady. Her white tees, I'm a baby. Some chat like guillotine dog.
IGLOO as I'm a glass. Yes, rich I'm another. Fully goes to hope can't fall off. One drop big, my pants big like Hollywood big. Have some goons on the road with. My hot tongue girls say I chew up with. IGLOO down, but they have the motive.
Being done.
Let me see how that money make like that. What's up? Come like no fun, not make no money. Yeah, and from you looking at me, I know some message. We have them. Wait. My jeans on my shoes, I Gucci on the shelf to prove it. Them boy they have the movie, I'm a bitch them bougie, I'm a lifestyle a movie. So all them get up on I know. Say and them up. The boy just send some. I'm a buyer and I never. Say girl on them like a free. You know what I mean. Saying just light up. I'm a high low. Say money they are pile up. Yo jam bro. Sometimes you're looking at me, I know I'm a tired. We have them killing them, we also drink and it's this color can. Yeah. Just reverse. We're going. Yo, done that. Yeah, be rock. From someone rolling down my boots all the time. No putting me on in a boy in a China. Some little boy better. Hi lady, vibes everywhere. Hi lady. Okay, I take the city, the king alarm them and watch you later. Them boy don't got nobody. Me no start from me out. If I speak tongue, girl love man. I'm a big woman, girl and right. It's something you take, girl, some. I'm a human, girl love some. And you know the girl left out my fatty. Girl in the bad bitch. Freaky girl, I'm a that's up. Watch out, outside girl, then clean up up. Can't settle down, come scared of love. An uptown girl will change the love. I can see you girl like she done your fuck. I come on her face and she lick it up. Up a Barbican, I'm gonna beat her up. I'm with her neck, I'm gonna fuck her hard. And I talk to her, play with her, kiss her. Style. You're so serious, you're so serious. Let me get into my feelings then now. Ready, start.
Sex is who you are now. Oh, na 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 na. Wanna get closer. Wanna be closer to you. Where have you been?